Hello everyone, welcome to Leonpi Handmade. Today we're going to crochet this little cherry tomato. Our demonstration today does not include the mooncake base. We will just wrap the yarn directly. Now let's start crocheting with yarn. We are using size 6 lace yarn and size 9 lace yarn, crocheting with 2 strands held together. Next, we will first crochet the main body of the fruit. Hold the yarn in your right hand, then wrap it once around your left pinky. Pass it across your index and middle fingers. Then wrap a loop around your middle finger. Insert the crochet hook into the loop. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop. Yarn over again and pull the loop out. Pull it a bit tight. This creates our magic ring. Next, we will crochet into the loop. 6 single crochets. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Then yarn over again and pull through. This completes 1 single crochet. Here we are crocheting in a continuous spiral. No need for a turning chain or a slip stitch. So right here at the first stitch, place a stitch marker. Here I am using a marker to do this. Now let's continue. Repeat making single crochets. After finishing the 6 single crochets, we will close the loop. Gently pull the yarn tail to tighten the loop. Then, let's crochet the next round. First, remove the stitch marker, then into the very first stitch. Crochet a single crochet increase. This means in this same stitch, crochet a single crochets. This completes 1 single crochet increase. Then we must remember to mark it. Continue along the rest of the way. In every single stitch, add 1 stitch, adding a total of 6 stitches. Once completed, this round will have 12 single crochets. After completing the 12 single crochets, next we will make the next stitch into the first stitch. Crocheting 1 single crochet, take off the stitch marker first. And then place the marker right here. Next, add a stitch here at the second stitch. Crocheting to single crochets. Then continue along the rest of the way, increasing by 1 stitch every other stitch. Adding a total of 6 stitches. When finished, there will be a total of 18 single crochets. After completing 18 stitches, we follow the pattern of increasing by 6 single crochets each round, continuing to crochet in order. Once we reach the 9th round, there will be 54 stitches. Here we have already crocheted up to the 9th round. Next, the number of stitches remains unchanged. Crochet 50 for single crochets for each round, all the way until you complete the 17th row. After finishing the 17th round, next we will begin crocheting the decreases. First, following the order, let's crochet 7 single crochets. Then next, crochet a single crochet decrease, combining 2 single crochets into 1 stitch. This is our single crochet decrease. After that, continue after every 7 stitches. To make a decrease, decreasing by a total of 6 stitches. Once completed, there will be 48 stitches. After that, continue decreasing by 6 stitches each round, all the way, until you complete the 20th row. After finishing the 20th row, next, the number of stitches for the 21st row remains the same. For this row, we crochet 36 single crochets. After that, decrease by 6 stitches each round, crocheting all the way to the 24th row. To complete it, after finishing the 25th round, we leave a length of yarn tail, about 20 to 30 centimeters long. And then, next, let's stuff it. After stuffing, we will gather and close this opening. And then pull it tight. Later on, we can shape it to create this indented look. Then take out a 0.4 mm craft wire and poke a hole right here. Next, we will use the green yarn to crochet the leaf section. A 0.7 mm crochet hook and size 9 lace yarn. First, make a starting stitch, crocheting 6 single crochets. Then we crochet a slip stitch, and then crochet a chain stitch. Then continue to crochet the second. For the second row, first crochet 1 single crochet, then increase by 1 stitch in the next stitch, crocheting a single crochet increase. Repeat this after every other stitch. Adding 1 stitch, crochet a total of 3 sets. Once finished, this row will have 9 single crochets. Then work a slip stitch. Next, let's crochet the third round. The third round consists of 9 single crochet increases, meaning an increase is made in every single stitch. Once this round is completed, there will be 18 single crochets. Now we have already finished the 4th round. And next, we will crochet 10 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, 7, 8, 9. 10. Then, into the loop of the second chain from the hook, crochet a slip stitch. And then continue. In the next stitch, also crochet a slip stitch. We need to crochet a total of 3 slip stitches here. And then next, crochet 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, crochet 1/2 double crochet. Then following that, crochet 3 single crochets and 3 double crochets. Slip stitch into the third stitch here. This is the first, then second, third slip stitch into the third stitch, and then continue to crochet the next leaf in the exact same way. Ah, Mr. Liu, Teacher Liu, Mr. Liu?